Well, hello again everyone, and welcome to a still a bit windy Cambridgeshire. Well, springtime is coming and I'm hoping I'll be able to get back to riding in and out to work on the Mutt Mastiff. I'm going to give it another treatment of the ACF 50 after I've given it a bit of a clean, but the first thing I want to do is get the exhaust back looking smart again. Now Mr. Ginge and I have been inspecting this and you can see there is quite a lot of discoloration as it comes out of the engine, and that bit's not too bad, but then as you get towards the muffler you've got a lot of sort of bluing and discoloration around there where the bracket is. So the first thing we're going to do is give it a little bit of a rub over with some 2000 grit wet and dry paper, and we're going to use it dry. Well, that is looking a little better already, but obviously it's quite dull, so need to polish it up a bit. I've seen a few posts about this on the internet. Lots of people are recommending this Autosol metal polish, and this is a specific sort of stainless steel exhaust polishing kit that someone on eBay sells. Well, it just comes with the metal polish and a yellow pad and a cloth, so I suppose as a kit it's yeah, I don't know whether it's worth spending your extra money to get this yellow thing and the cloth, but anyway, it wasn't a great deal extra. So I'm going to start by putting the polish on with the yellow pad thing. Right, now let's give it a buff off with the special blue cloth. Well, I reckon it's certainly a lot better than it was. There is still some marking on it. I guess you could probably spend a lot more time with the wet and dry paper and get rid of a lot of that, but overall I'm pretty pleased. Still see a bit of that staining on the silencer there. Let's have another go at getting that off with the wet and dry. Well, there we go. Perhaps that's slightly better, but I can still see the mark there. Well, it's possible I could have got it to come up better with a fresh bit of wet and dry paper, because that bit is now pretty knackered. But I've already been told off tonight for going in the house with my dirty boots, so I don't really want to risk it. So that's probably as good as that's going to get for now. That's all for now. If you enjoyed this video, please share it with your friends. Give the like button a press. And don't forget to subscribe if you want to see some more.